All right. Good Thursday morning. And we're a little delayed on putting this out because I did a relocate. Went from the main house back to my office. Now that the weather's getting a little warmer, it's a little more manageable. Um, all right, let's just get started. I didn't really take a look at anything before I got you guys up and pumping. But the market, oh man, S&P's up 37 points. 37 points. Yeah, we're probably gonna close that gap today. I don't like that at all, man. I don't like it at all. So looking at the futures, we're just kind of breaking yesterday's high and putting that push up, and she's just moving up. This is 3 days in a row. Really, nothing's changed until we break this high right here. Yeah, on the long term, that is. If we break that high, we may have very well entered a bullish pattern or a bullish trend, and we haven't done that in quite some time. See, we have this lower low, we have this higher high. We're in a consolidation. That's all we can really consider this at this point. Once we break this point up here, then we have this higher low and a higher high. Hopefully, we make another higher low, higher high, start our move up. And that's basically what it looks like on the daily. Let's see how that translates to the SPX. That was the futures we were looking at. So this I just don't like, man. We're gonna open up 37. Well, we still have an hour to go, so maybe the market will come down. I'd rather open flat and then get this 37 points during market hours, so I could take advantage of it. May not be the case, but this is what we shall see. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. So we closed at 59. We're going to open up at about 500. I bet we open up at about 480. That'll be the resistance, or the 33% retracement mark, which is probably posing resistance. On this run up, we've come down 55%, tagged it, and then turned around, went up. And it's a good place to continue that bullish move. We're just going to have to keep an eye on it and see if it does that. Let's see what the old Bitcoin is doing for us. Still in that consolidation, but you know what? We're bullish above this trend line. I'd like to see it tag that trend line and go up, but it keeps making higher lows. So let's just see if it can pull off another higher high. I mean, I'm in it. I didn't sell out of it. And I think it's going. I grabbed a little more when we came down around here. I was really, I did that because it was looking like a resistance off of these two bottoms. So I took a little piece. I was really holding my biggest piece for tagging this trend line right there. So obviously I'm trading it with a bullish intent right now. Oh yeah, here we go. Data's going in and out. And the other point of interest would be our 10-year, which is beginning to give us that retrace. Started yesterday. That's cool. We needed a little pullback. I mean, bonds have been tanking, for quite some time, and we need this little bit of retrace. And we'll see if we put in a double top. We'll look for a double top, maybe a consolidation and a correction. I'm thinking we come back down to about the 2471 range. Long term, if not, definitely 2750. So we'll keep our eye on that. We'll keep our eye on it. Anyway, I don't think I'm going to be streaming today. I'd rather pay attention to the market, to tell you the truth. So I think I'm just going to be putting out these videos and these morning meetings and the EODs and see how that goes. There's not a lot going on during streaming. I'm sitting there looking at a lot of stuff. It distracts me. I make like a quarter of the money I normally make, so I think I'm going to back off the streaming for a little bit. We'll see if anybody breaks my balls or get some shouts of encouragement. Maybe I'll pick it up again. But for now, do me a favor: subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, and look for my end of the day wrap.